small token of appreciation from our end. Thank you so much for the opportunity and thank you for your cooperation and support.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's one more. So this is some goodies. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations
Thank
for your
you
new
so
house.
much.
Thank you. Overall approach was very good. We enjoyed selecting the designs, going for shops to select various materials, and also could see a lot of efforts which was put to complete the things on time. Overall, it was a pleasant experience.
And how was it working with my team?
Team was great. All are very cooperative. They never told no to anything. It was always very approachable, and anytime we can reach to them.
So thank you so much once again. And it was a big responsibility bestowed on us. So once again, thanks on behalf of me and my entire team.
Thank you
Thanks
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you.